What is up, everyone? This is MoTutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix Windows was unable to complete the formatting issue that you may be getting. So let's get right into this. So if you're trying to basically format like a disk or a drive or whatever, and you're basically getting this error, the easiest way to fix this is go to your search bar and type in disk management until you see where it says create and format hard disk partitions pop up. In here, find the disk that is causing you concern. So you'll see over here, which like all of yours are, the normal ones, whichever one you're trying to do it on. And you want to right click into it. And if it's already unallocated, great. That means the issue is obviously fixed, right? You don't need to do anything else. But if it's like this and it's allocated, as you can see in this example, you want to press delete volume and it's going to delete and format it from here, because this is where you're not going to get the error, right? And basically just do everything from here. Once you do this, like I said, you press delete volume, and again, it's going to tell you everything's going to delete it. You're going to basically go through that process, delete everything, and then it's going to ask you like different types of like how you want to format it, which type of file system, etc., and then essentially you go from there. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys are a video, please smash this up, go ahead and channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and that MoTutorials out. Peace.